welcome back to Cantity Plans. This is Carmen. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use for journaling. And today I'm going to be using stickers from the Mojo Jojo Plans Rainbow Boxes sticker book. Stickers from the Sammy Lynn Planning Plant sticker sheet, and a freebie that I got with a previous order, and then some stickers from the Busy Bee planners, and additional black boxes from the Colorful Boxes sticker book from the Happy Planner. And we're going to go ahead and get started. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and white out the section that says notes. I don't use that section for notes. And we're gonna go ahead and get our decorative stickers in first. All right. So I have 9 of these decorative stickers. So I want to put one for every single day of the week. I'll probably put this one on Sunday. I don't know if these fit like this. I think they do. So we'll put this one here on Sunday. Try to put it down as straight as I can. Okay, and then maybe this one on Saturday. Okay. Very pretty stickers. If I can find these on the website, I'll go ahead and link them for you guys if you want to go ahead and purchase these. I've been doing a lot of yard work outside lately, so these definitely called my name. Let's see. And then one of these. So how has everybody been this week? I hope everyone's doing well. We have been having some unusually cold days here in Texas, but it seems like those days are coming to an end, which is good. And we'll be getting our spring-like temperatures coming back. Be able to spend some more time outside again. So these are looking pretty cool. I like how each of them have like little scenes going on, each of these stickers. So let's see here. So you guys can see what I'm looking at here. I'm gonna take one of these and put it here. And one of these. Okay. All right. And then I definitely want to put some boxes so that I can go ahead and label the weekend here. Now, let me ask you guys a question. Does the weekend start on Friday, or does the weekend only encompass Saturday and Sunday to you? Let me know down in the comments below. I don't really know what to think in regards to the weekend. So I'm going to put it here on Saturday because technically it would really cover either or, I think. Could be maybe put some arrows here if it's Friday through Sunday, or if it's just Saturday and Sunday. So I think that would be a good place to put that. All right, and then let's see, I have 6 of these paper clips. Oh, look at this. This one's pretty. I'm gonna put this down. With this bow here. put it down right here. Okay. I don't know really what I want to do with these paper clips just yet. I'm going to wait on those. Now, I may do just some small deco here and there because I do have these. So I'll be doing some random placements. All plant theme, all plant theme. This is a hanging plant, so it would be best to put it right at the top over here, but I do need my tweezers for this. It's a small sticker. Okay. Now, I've never shopped at Busy Bee Planners before. I actually received this sticker sheet as a freebie in a sale that I bought all these stickers from, and they're really cool. And I'll put this one here. All right, now I am going to put maybe some little boxes here and there, maybe as reminders, or just to kind of maybe bring out what happens during the week. Let's see, so we'll put this one right here. Try to put it somewhere in the middle. Okay. It's crooked. No. You've got to go down straight. Okay. And then we'll put this one down right here. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay. So then one here. Make sure it's not crooked. It's a little crooked. Try to fix that before I commit to putting it down. Okay. And then put this down right here. And then maybe one here, one here. All right. So we'll do one right here. And then we'll do another one at the top there on Friday. Actually, I'm gonna switch this. I'm gonna add another big box on the left. But I am gonna put it on the left side right here. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a smaller box over here. Okay. I was going to use green boxes from the Mojo Jojo plans, but the more I look at it, I think it works best to keep the boxes black so that the plant stickers kind of pop out a little bit more. So I think that's what I'm gonna go with those. Let's see. And then we'll do one here. Then we'll do one over here. And then one over here. All right, and then I kind of want to use these there, but I don't want to overdo it either. I kind of feel like I need something right here, but I don't know exactly what. But I have these stickers. Now, they are meant to be checklist stickers, but what if I try using them as washi strips? Let's see how it looks. If it doesn't work, I'll go ahead and scratch the idea, but let's see what this looks like. It could be like dotted washi. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then we can do it again up here where it said notes. Okay. Oh, I need to lift that bow a little bit so that this can go under. Is it weird that I like how that looks? I know it's not meant to be washi, but it looks really cool. I like it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that. That looks really cool, and it kind of breaks up the fact that this is very empty. And I think with that last addition, my journaling spread is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!